1961 Buick Electra four-door sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 401 nailhead V8 underneath the hood. That does have a fuel-injected Holley system on it. Paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome and bright work up front. Grille, headlight surrounds, Buick Tri-Shield logo. Now, as far as the paint, this is a CC paint code, so that's going to be Arctic white. It does show its age a little bit. There's a spot where maybe there's a nick or a chip here or there. But overall, this one will turn some heads. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you'll be able to see this car from every angle. Interior, underside, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website if you're seeing it on YouTube. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Buick wheel covers. Looks like Vogue radial tires on there. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This is one of those cars, get in, turn the key, go, have some fun. And as you can see up and down the passenger side, again, there's spots where there's some imperfections in the paint. But overall, again, car shows well. Just shows its age a little bit, a little character. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A little corrosion there below the rear window. Same over on the driver's side. Take a look at the chrome in the back here in just a second. Just wanted to point out a few of those things in the paint. Chrome in the back bumper, not bad. Bright work. Love these taillights. And once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll see a ton of close-up pictures, every angle, again, undersides, interior, engine bay. If you're into the full-size Buicks, maybe just like Electras, deuce and quarters, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether it's online or off our showroom floor. The vehicles are for sale and the videos are uploaded. So we take a look up and down the driver's side, very similar to the passenger side. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Trim code in this car was 722, so it would have originally been a gray interior. You can see power window switches, seat belts up front. Kind of a vinyl, I guess, fabric. I don't know, feels partially cloth, partially vinyl. Very rugged fabric. You can see there's some wear up here in the corner. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, don't pump it or anything. Fuel injection system on it. Of course, this is one of those dash that can be adjusted. It's actually a mirror you're looking at. The actual cluster is down below here, and that's a reflection, so you can change the angle of the mirror. Those Buick features. Give you a look at the dash. I did leave the radio on because it will warm up enough and come in.
I mean, we are in, I guess every team reaches sort of their time.
Up here is the AM Sonomatic. The radio there is working. A few little wear areas or cracks in the dash, if you noticed. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy exhaust-wise. Again, 401 cubic inch nailhead V8. And we're going to come up here and take a look underneath the hood, see how that engine bay looks. Stick around to the very end of this video remember, we'll take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, but first let's take a peek at the engine bay. There you go. Hood liner, get a peek at that. And the engine. So, some things recently done on this. Aluminum radiator, as you can see. Newer exhaust. Wheel cylinders, master cylinder, also newer. There's an electric fan in this radiator. Also brake lines done recently. Now you will notice up here in the pictures Wildcat 445. Of course, that would be the torque. That's not the actual size of the engine. 401 cubic inches. 507-386-1726 number to call. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where you can check out all the still pics. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1961 Buick Electra. Nice throaty exhaust note to this car. This is a 4-door. It is an automatic on the column. Has the awesome speedometer that shows, actually it's a mirror reflection of the speedometer if you didn't know this, that's mounted below it, and it shows the orange filling up as if it were similar to a thermometer filling up. Way cool feature. Now the fuel gauge is showing completely full. I'm not sure about the accuracy of that one myself. The original Sonomatic AM radio is working.
So what Philly was doing, they took away the deep ball. They took away a lot of those great runs. Those
working as it should. Great looking clock mounted right here, addition to the dash. Some of the styling features were just amazing in the early 60s. Comfortable bench seat in this car. Really quite nice condition, front and back seats. Power brakes are working well. Buick, one of the a little bit more luxurious brands, like to put power steering and brakes in much more models than other companies. Very responsive throttle. It's got corners, semi-luxurious. When you put your foot down, you've got the power. That's another thing Buick did. A little bit of power in those engines. Our turn signal indicators are working just fine. You do shut them off after you're done turning. A little bit of slack in the steering is to be expected for this era of vehicle. Really a nice driver. Great for road trips. Take the whole family with you. Go to some cruises or roll-ins. Take a look at all the pictures to learn everything about this Buick Electra at UniqueClassicCars.com.